I mean, you've just said Pogba's a great player. I'd actually say he's a great talent.
वेलकम टू मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर. मैं हूँ सौरभ. मेरे साथ है नंदू, आर्सेनल फैन, जो बहुत खुश है आज, और निखिल, मेरा दूसरा होस्ट ऑन मुंबई से मैनचेस्टर. आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं डिसअपॉइंटिंग रिजल्ट अगेंस्ट आर्सेनल एट ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड, 1-0 लॉस. Firstly, well done Arsenal. Congratulations Nandu. Must be glad with the result.
Very happy.
First thoughts?
14 years के बाद much needed victory. I think start of the season में ऐसा बोलेगा कि किधर draw या हारना allowed है, तो I would have picked Old Trafford. But उधर जीतना means that kind of undoes all the bad things that we did against Leicester at home. So
कल तूने बोला था कि 14 इयर्स में जीता नहीं है ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड पे, और आर्सेनल का अवे गेम्स लास्ट ईयर अच्छा फॉर्म रहा नहीं है. बट ये सीजन यूनाइटेड आर येट टू पिक अप अ विन इन द प्रीमियर लीग एट ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड. जस्ट नॉट गुड इनफ टुडे, नॉट गुड इनफ. निखिल?
यार डिसअपॉइंटिंग है ना. अभी 7 साल हो गए सिंस सर एलेक्स लेफ्ट. ऐसे रिकॉर्ड पे रिकॉर्ड टूट रहे ओल्ड ट्रैफर्ड पे आके कि ये टीम के सामने 25 साल से नहीं जीते हारे या जीते ही है. एंड वी चूज टू ब्रेक दैट रिकॉर्ड समहाउ. एंड स्पेशली आफ्टर दैट लाइप्जिग गेम 5-0 चैंपियंस लीग सेमीफाइनलिस्ट को हम लोगों ने हराया. आर्सेनल वर सेट अप द सेम वे. इट वाज जस्ट द इंटेंट is what I think let us down today, but we'll get more into it. But completely disappointed. Like I think we should have won those 3 points. Arsenal weren't that great at all. They got a few chances, and obviously that penalty helped them. We definitely didn't deserve to win today the way we played. तो लाइनअप प्रेडिक्शंस के बारे में क्या लगता है नंदू? आई नो हमने आर्सेनल का लाइनअप प्रेडिक्ट किया था. Back 3-4-3 ही हमने formation we had thought about, but there were some changes, right?
हाँ, तो जो formation किया था उसमें मुस्ताफी मैंने पिक किया था. मुझे पता नहीं था कि Holding was ready and would be put into a game so quickly, primarily because last game में मुस्ताफी replaced Lewis and then he started Europa League का game. And 60 minutes में उसको substitution किया था, all set up for him to start this game. So that was a pleasant surprise to see Holding start and then play well. The second point was Elneny starting. I think he was brilliant ये game में. Again, I wouldn't have picked him to start over Dani Ceballos or even Xhaka. So I had 3 midfield players, Partey, Xhaka and Dani Ceballos, the same formation he went with against Leicester. Same 3 players, but thankfully वो नहीं था. Xhaka would have been slower and I think he got the team selection right on there. Elneny and Thomas, the double pivot worked very well for us. So again, I was happy with that. And then Laka up front. तो वो भी नहीं था मेरे लाइनअप में. Again, I'm happy with that, and उसका ball holding capacity is much better than Oba's. That in a way frees Oba to play on the left side and can run off him. So again, tactically he got the starting lineup just right. No complaints there.
Saurabh, thoughts about United's lineup?
अपना predicted lineup जो था, it was 100% the same. सब 11 players जो हम लोग ने predict किए वैसे ही स्टार्ट किया. द शेप वाज स्लाइटली डिफरेंट. तो मैंने प्रेडिक्ट किया था कि फ्रेड विल डबल टीम विद मैकटोमिनी एंड लिंडेलॉफ टू प्रोटेक्ट द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ यूनाइटेड मिडफील्ड, एंड मैकटोमिनी विल ट्राई टू शील्ड द नंबर 10 जो हम लोग कबायोस एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. फॉर सम रीजन ओले फ्लिप्ड इट अराउंड. सो मैकटोमिनी वाज ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द डायमंड एंड फ्रेड वाज एट द बेस ऑफ द डायमंड. So Fred someone who plays at the base of the diamond, we want them to organize the diamond. We want to organize them we want them to dominate and organize the midfield. So इसलिए McTominay and Matic would have been a better player for that position. Fred राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द डायमंड में जो इधर साइड्स ऑफ द डायमंड में खेलता है, दे नीड टू रन बैक एंड फोर्थ एंड प्रोवाइड कवर. तो फ्रेड का एनर्जी वुड हैव बीन बेटर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द डायमंड. That was the only complaint with the starting lineup. Apart from that, जैसे expect किया था वैसे ही हम लोग start किए. But I think we were surprised by the number of attackers Arsenal had on the pitch. I think we were set out to go. मतलब जैसे अपना formation था, we were supposed to go out and go on the front foot. But I think हम लोग पहले 10-15 मिनट तो बहुत ही एकदम ही डल था. Each team was trying to see कि दूसरा कैसे खेल रहा है, what is the shape, what is the formation. Almost first half में they had two midfielders, ये El Neni और Partey, and their two midfielders dominated our four. मतलब they were completely winning the midfield battle, which is shameful. मतलब just not acceptable. क्या मतलब we were not winning the second balls. We were not energetic enough. We were not ऐसे willingness ही नहीं लग रहा था to do that extra bit. Not good enough. First half में थोड़े observations थे मेरे. I was baffled to see Luke Shaw take set pieces, free kicks, corners when Bruno was on the pitch. I noticed that against the Leipzig game as well, but at least तभी एक excuse था कि Bruno was not on the pitch for 70-80 minutes. तभी Luke Shaw, अगर if there is no other set piece taker, ठीक है, चलो एक can't be explained, but ठीक है. It was not as bad as today. Bruno ले सकता था, Rashford ले सकता था. Luke Shaw on corners, we were ineffective off set pieces, जो pre-match prediction में था. So
I know, Saurabh, you mentioned Fred के बारे में. I feel Fred is a solid CDM at the base of the diamond. Energy दोनों Scott McTominay और Fred offer करते हैं. It seems like the right side and left-sided players on that diamond, on those flanks, they didn't do a great enough job to really dominate that midfield. Matlab, at the end of the day, when Arsenal were in possession, Nandu, correct me if I'm wrong, तुम्हारे दो center back रहते थे, and then those wing backs would push further into the midfield.
Yeah.
Right. So we already knew when in possession Arsenal are going to play that way. So
Yeah.
it was not something unknown. The players would have known, Solskjaer would have known. So I think it was just the timing and the intensity with which we tried to cut off passing lanes. हर एक point पे, whenever Arsenal had the ball, they could find an additional player to pass that ball to the right player, whereas United couldn't do that at all. And I know I already have ranted earlier, but I felt the worst player in that diamond was Pogba. Without the ball, I feel Pogba was simply horrible. And that is not the first time I might be saying that. But anyways, so let's get into substitutions, right? We know some of the things that didn't work. Saurabh, United के case में क्या changes किए रहते? I know you mentioned you would have played McTominay as a CDM and Fred on the right side. और क्या changes किए रहते उसके अलावा?
So at halftime, so पहले तो you brought up a really good point कि Arsenal का press amazing था. We did not have passing options. First half में all the possession that we had was central defense में side to side या central defender to our midfield and back to our central defenders again. कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे थे हम लोग. So Arsenal, well done to the Arsenal team to press as a team. किधर भी gaps नहीं दे रहे थे अपने को. But there was a way to play around this. So at halftime, I tweeted that Matic should be brought on in place of either McTominay or Fred. If Fred did not have a yellow card, it should have been Matic for Fred. Matic for McTominay. But because Fred had a yellow card, or Arsenal, there was a situation in the first half जहाँ पे he was persistently fouling Arsenal players. So मुझे लगा कि it will be safe to take Fred out and put Matic in. and keep Van de Beek to come in for McTominay at some later point. मुझे लगा था कि at least we should have showed some intent, and at the stroke of halftime we should have made at least one substitution. We waited till 60 minutes. I think our brightest period came between 45 to 60 minutes जब हम लोग ने change नहीं किया. But after that, I was baffled by the substitutions. So pehla substitution, I think Matic आया for Fred, which was expected. But suddenly uske baad we went to a 4-2-3-1. So we gave up on the diamond. Pogba started playing on the left wing position. Matic and McTominay were in the holding two. Bruno was at number 10. Rashford was up front, and Greenwood was on the right. And with this change of system, log ek दूसरे we weren't able to find players. मतलब कुछ interchange था ही नहीं. Pogba stupidly tracked, gave away the penalty. He should not have been put in that position in the first place. और मतलब क्या सोच रहा था? Bellerin was running away from him. There was no need for that tackle. मतलब बहुत ही poor decision making. Pogba had a really poor game. I actually felt that he was the second worst player on the pitch after McTominay, but a really poor game by Pogba. So मुझे लग रहा था कि there was an opportunity to take Pogba and McTominay out, to bring Van de Beek on and Cavani on, and go to a 4-3-3 with Matic at the base of the midfield, Bruno and Van de Beek as the attacking midfielders, and Cavani holding the ball up, Rashford on the left and Greenwood on the right. That's something I would have done. But again, Greenwood ko hataya. So I don't think we were either committed to a diamond or we were committed to a 4-2-3-1. We were just lost in the end. McTominay, even until the 93rd minute, he was passing sideways and passing backwards. He was not adding anything to the team.
मैं जो देख रहा था, मुझे ऐसे लगा कि we switched to that 4-2-3-1 formation at that point of time. And the reason we did that was with the diamond formation, एक तो हमें we were getting outplayed in the midfield. We were too narrow, and Arsenal could spread their centre backs or their midfielders out wide and find that extra player all the time. And by playing a 4-2-3-1, we were pushing Tierney, Gabriel, and holding further behind. But however, that lasted only for the 10-15 odd minutes. After Matic came in, I don't know what suddenly happened. I thought getting a fresher player would have helped. Unfortunately, it didn't. But yeah, I do agree. Pogba on the left, and then he going back and tracking and actually making that poor challenge. That should have never happened. Someone else should have been there. But again, Pogba was there and he shouldn't have made that challenge.
Exactly, ना वो जो 4-2-3-1 गए हम लोग from 45 to 60 minutes, at least then, and when ठीक ठाक results दिख रहे थे, at least then commit to it, right? Bring Cavani on, play your best front three in the 4-2 or best front four in your 4-2-3-1. Bruno should never have been taken off.
Right.
Greenwood should never have been taken off. Cavani should have been brought in to थोड़ा hold करता था. I cannot remember touches जहाँ पे हम लोग ball hold कर रहे in their half. मतलब जो भी touches थे, सब कुछ, everything was in defense, everything was in midfield.
नंदू, तुझे क्या लगता है?
So from an Arsenal perspective, United का substitutions देखकर even I was baffled. Like I was happy to see Cavani come in place of Greenwood. Greenwood तभी he won a foul. And Gabriel था yellow card में, so he could have run at Gabriel. He could have caused more problems with his pace than Cavani could cause with, क्योंकि crosses तो दे नहीं रहे थे United. So I feel वो Arsenal perspective से अच्छा था वो substitution. But the other thing that surprised me was Bruno ko nikala when you're chasing a game. I don't know why Bruno and Van de Beek को एक साथ नहीं खिलाते. So that was surprising to me. And मैं expect नहीं करता था कि Bruno को हटा के Van de Beek को लाएगा, especially when you're chasing a game.
Right. So. I don't know if it was purely down. I hope it was purely down to fitness and that he was really tired and कुछ तो हुआ रहेगा. but tactically to didn't even make sense.
Yeah.
Pogba, knowing Pogba was one of the worst players, I would have actually removed Pogba and brought in Van de Beek in his place and played that combo of Bruno and Van de Beek together.
तो वही सेट पीस क्वालिटी पुअर हो गया था. लाइक आई रिमेम्बर रैशफोर्ड ने कॉर्नर लिया था एंड लाइक ही कुडंट इवन बीट द फर्स्ट मैन. तो
right. I think total game में United took like 3 times the more crosses. 6 क्रॉस कुछ लिए शायद हमने, corners लिए, not crosses, but I think 90 or even 100% hit the first man, and this is not a new thing for United.
वो ये साइड से शॉ ले रहा था, ये साइड से रैशफोर्ड ले रहा था, तो इट वाज
right.
इस दोनों साइड में ब्रूनो लेता तो और बेटर रहता.
Right. So any closing thoughts?
Pathetic performance, pathetic result by United. मुझे genuinely लग रहा था कि we can go on an unbeaten run. Unbeaten. I was not expecting 100% wins for the next 10 games. Unbeaten. To at least have a get out of this game with a 1-1 draw would have still been not so bad. It would have still been bad, but not so bad. But the fact that we have dropped 3 points against Arsenal at home when we had an opportunity to climb up the table. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि this is Arsenal's best side. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि they had a lot of attacking threat. It is extremely disappointing. I think the players have to shoulder the blame for the large parts. They were not half as committed as the previous 2-3 games. They were not getting to the ball. And then in-game management, Solskjaer ka, it was not good, not bright at all. At least जो वो करना चाहता था, I don't think वो communicate कर पाया. It was not translating to results on the pitch. If anything, उसके substitutions even took any life out of the game. It was really poor.
Nandu, happy?
A great result. Luck going our way. वो पेनल्टी मिलना ही बहुत फॉर्चुनेट है. उधर गोल थ्रेट भी नहीं था, किधर बेलरिन जा रहा था, तो उधर फाउल करके पेनल्टी देना was a very fortunate thing to happen. So I mean, performance was good. They created a lot of half chances. They didn't create a clear-cut big chance, but in general, happy with performance, tactics, with the players they have. I know creativity come hai, so yeah, really happy with the performance. Doesn't matter how it comes. I'll take 3 points.
So that's it from us, guys. Thanks for watching till now. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and keep us supporting. Bye.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure, and keep up the great work.
Thank you, Nandu. Thanks for coming on our show.